In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take an image file, like a JPEG, and turn it into an editable text document using Google Drive. So let's dive right in and make this process effortless for you. First things first, I have a JPEG file here that contains some text, but as you might know, it's neither a Word document nor a PDF. It's purely an image. To get things started, let's convert it into something we can work with. The way we do this is very straightforward. All you need to do is drag and drop your image into Google Drive. You can easily find your Google Drive by navigating to the Google Apps section from your Google account. Once you've uploaded the image to your drive, which usually takes just a few seconds, you'll want to locate the file in your Google Drive. Right-click on it and you'll see a menu pop up, select Open With, and choose Google Docs from the options. At this point, Google Docs will open your file, and you'll notice that the image version of your file appears at the top of the new document. This part cannot be edited. It's simply the original picture as you uploaded it. However, here's where the magic happens. If you scroll down a little, you'll see that Google has automatically converted all the text in the image into editable text right beneath the displayed picture. This is thanks to Google's optical character recognition technology, which makes it possible to recognize the text within the image. Feel free to delete the image at the top. You can start editing the text straight away, just like you would with any other text document in Google Docs. Make the edits, corrections, or updates that you need to. Now, once you're happy with how your document looks and you've finished making those necessary edits, you might want to save or export your document in a different format. By default, your file is now a Google document, which is super handy for collaboration and cloud storage. But if you prefer a Word version, we've got you covered. Simply head over to the top left of your screen, click on File, then navigate down to Download. Here you have a choice of formats. Select Microsoft Word .docx, and your document will download directly to your computer in a Word-friendly format. And there you have it. You're done. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned an image file into an editable document using Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Drop your requests in the comments, and who knows, I might just make a video tailored for you. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.